Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Fat Bass TV. Ooh, look at that light. Alright, there we go. Hey, look at there. Here I am. Today we're going fishing. I'm gonna fish a tournament today with my buddy Chris. I know I don't fish tournaments very often, but this is the one I'm gonna fish. It's the one I fish every year, so just trying to get everything ready. I should have had everything ready last night, but I didn't. We went out to eat instead. So, if you guys remember this right here. Yeah, got it fixed. It only took 3 weeks. Yeah, they shipped the wrong one the first time. It was like an 8-lug pattern the first time. Second time they shipped a silver one. Third time's a charm. They got it right. There it is. If you can see it. The problem I'm running into now is the pothole was so big that I think it knocked the truck out of alignment. The tire's rubbing the inside of the fender. I hope it's not any bent control arms, but we'll see Monday morning. I'm gonna take it to get an alignment Monday morning. We'll see. Anyway, it's 4:30 in the morning. There's people walking up and down my street. I don't know what's up with that. So, my buddy Chris will be here in a minute, pick me up, and then we'll get into the day. You're right. If they ain't a fish on that little tree limb, then they ain't none in this whole lake. Oh yeah, boat up on that one, son. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. Make sure he didn't hurt my trailer. Oh yeah, we good. Do what? There he is. Look at him. Oh! You still got him?
No. I don't believe he's gonna win.
No, he wasn't going. He wouldn't even got the grease hot. How are y'all?
Doing alright. I've been keeping up with your videos now.
Hey, I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
You been out here a bunch this year?
I haven't even fished out here yet.
I've came out here like 3 times.
Yeah.
It's unusual for me. I've just been so dang busy.
Well, that's unusual for me too. I come out here one time and it come a downpour. And I was in Larry's boat and I was all the way down here and the wind was blowing so hard that the trolling motor wouldn't even pull me back. It took me almost an hour to get from that pier to his pier. Yeah, this whole bank right here is crowded. We need to go over there to that other bank where ain't nobody at. Yeah. Well, it'll come on. It's on a timer.
You want to shoot over there?
Yeah, we can. I think.
People over there.
Yeah, I think we start around where that pier is, and work our way around. You know, it gets kind of shallow back there. You know, you'd think that'd at least be a damn 6-ouncer on the bank or something. I mean, a guppy or something. Well, so far this bag lied. This Zoom bag says bass level. Damn right, I'm gonna sue. We're gonna get some Houdini going on, get a little magic trick. Got it? There he is. Oh! That was a good one too, boy. Yeah, that's a good one. Stay down. Look at that. That popped right out. I figured there'd be one hanging around that feeder. Yeah, that fish, I didn't even feel it bite. I saw my line moving. Alright, I'm gonna stick with what's working. I'm gonna quit swapping. Get in that tree, boy. Dadgummit. There he is. Look at that.
I mean, that's fucked up. What? This thing is red tall.
Yeah. Was that the paddle tail? Raised tail? Come on, man. Can you back me up in there? Bad thing is I can see it. God dog. All right, so the rain has now started. Whew.
Uh-huh. 20 and a half. I tell you what, you better call it 3/4. 20 and 3/4. 3.83. Alright. We got two. Really?
And yeah, we did something to do.
5 bass, Lance.
We got him a bad
5 bass.
They've got big place.
Total of
Say about the sun.
10.49.
No, we ain't opening it.
Hey. All right, so we made it home from the tournament. We didn't end up winning, but that's okay. You didn't get to see a whole lot of the tournament, and the reason why is because it rained about 75% of the tournament. And I call it tournament. It's not a tournament. It's a buddy of mine's private lake that he holds, you know, to raise money to help fund some of the stuff throughout the year. He lets me come fishing whenever I want, so I'm more than happy to pitch in whatever I need to do. So yeah, me and Chris, we ended up catching 5 bass for 10 pounds or something. That the biggest one that I caught that's shown on camera. It was almost 4 pounds. There's a lot bigger fish in there. Here's the deal: is all last week it was in the 80s with the lows in the upper 60s, lower 70s, with almost 0 rain last week. So coming into Friday it was still 80. So coming into Saturday, the low Friday night was 65. The high for Saturday was 65. So it gradually got cooler throughout the day. We got to fish for about an hour before it started raining, and then the wind picked up and it rained pretty hard for a while. I just put the GoPro away and we put our rain suits on and fished. The guy that won this tournament was kind of like Major League Fishing style, where every fish counts. you have first place for the lunker. You have second place for the lunker. Both of those were, one was 5.5 and one was 5.4. So we didn't even come close on that one. And the overall winner is total number of bass and weight. So the winner caught 24 bass for 22 pounds, I think. So, and what ended up happening is he had a square bill tied on, and he got off. He just got off of a point and just started running that square bill, and he didn't have to move. They were stacked up, and he was pulling those little 12 ounces in one after another. So anyway, I mean, it is what it is. It's just for fun. It's not anything serious. I don't fish serious tournaments. I just like to do it for fun. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up. If you want to see more of them, subscribe. It's right there. Subscribe button's right there. Hit the little bell that's up here somewhere. Hit that bell, and it'll tell you every time that I upload a video. I'm trying to really get back into it serious. Maybe try to get daily uploads back. We're gonna see how that goes. So, like I said, and hope you guys enjoyed it. See you tomorrow.